welcome to the weather forecast video for southern New England for Tuesday, July 2nd. I'm Storm Chaser Justin here. Quiet weather for us here in southern New England this week, but it will be hot and turning very, very humid with heat index values that could approach the 100-degree mark or greater. We also do have Hurricane Barbara in the eastern Pacific, a strong, powerful Category 4 hurricane, and we will be getting into that. This is basically what today's video is all about, talking about Barbara, because there's not a lot going on here in southern New England. Here's a look around the country. Heat advisories for Indiana and Ohio, but that's basically it. Flood watch, and that's in Washington State. And then several other alerts out there. The ongoing flooding on the Mississippi River, with the flood warnings, but generally speaking, very, very quiet around the country. For us here in southern New England, very quiet. We just have a little coastal flood statement for some minor coastal flooding at high tide. Nothing really major is expected. Here's the expected rainfall over the next few days that goes to July 5th, predicted by the National Weather Service. You can see most places see nothing, no rain expected, but there could be some areas that get less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. It's June, and we check the tropics. This is the tropical activity expected in the next 48 hours for the Atlantic, which is nothing, which is good. We do have a bit of thunderstorm activity down in the Gulf of Mexico near the coast of Texas and Louisiana. Not expecting to develop into anything. But here in the eastern Pacific, we have Hurricane Barbara, a very powerful Category 4 hurricane, expected to maintain some of that strength over the next few days, before heading into cooler waters and then weakening. There's signs that this could head towards Hawaii, and we will be watching that very closely. Here's the path expected by the National Hurricane Center for Hurricane Barbara. You can see the M means major hurricane expected all the way through 2 a.m. on Thursday. Still a hurricane by 2 a.m. on Friday, and then a tropical storm by Saturday and Sunday. But it's a very powerful storm. And we do have another area to watch too. 70% chance of development in the next 5 days. Nothing expected to develop in the next. It's not expected to develop into anything over the next 48 hours. Here's a satellite view of Hurricane Barbara in a very well-developed storm. The eye is getting a little less clear, which means we might actually have maxed out on strength. It was very clear earlier today, or we could see all the way down to the ocean, but it's getting blocked by a bit of cloud cover now, which means that Barbara could be on a weakening trend, but only for a short time. There's signs that this thing could strengthen very close to a Cat 5 by Thursday or so. Here's another satellite view, or a view of Barbara, showing this very monstrous storm out in the eastern Pacific. So we will be watching this very carefully as it heads off to the north and then west, so to the northwest. And this could be heading towards Hawaii. So Hawaii should be on alert right now for the hit from Barbara. Only as a tropical storm, weak tropical storm, or a depression, or even nothing, just some remnant moisture from the storm. Here's the 7-day outlook for us here in southern New England. I have issued an alert for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for heat index values that could approach the 100-degree mark or higher. Temperatures will be very, very hot, especially away from the waters and more inland. Some places could get to the 93, 94, 95 mark on Thursday. But generally speaking, a possible heat wave too. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, possible heat wave. Maybe last into Saturday too. I only have 85 right now, because there will be some thunderstorms that develop. It'll be very humid, especially Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So the Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are going to be the most humid days. Wednesday, I do have the alert. I might extend the alert into Saturday, because of the humidity. Tomorrow won't be, it'll be probably the least humid day, but Thursday and Friday and Saturday are going to be very, very humid, and thunderstorms are expected on Saturday. Not sure how widespread or isolated they will be. We will fine-tune the details as that comes closer. Then it's a cold front that comes through on Saturday and knocks the temperatures down only into the 80s the low 80s. Some may stay in the upper 70s Sunday and Monday before warming up by the middle of next week. But some scattered showers are expected on Sunday. But those temperatures are pretty nice. A very cool, crisp Tuesday morning is expected. Only temperatures, the low temperature on Monday is expected to be 59. So when you wake up on Tuesday, it's going to be pretty nice. Low humidity, very comfortable. That's going to do it for the weather forecast video for Southern New England for Tuesday, July 2nd. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.